Good morning, happy people. Welcome back to my class. I've really missed seeing you. And I think, as painful as it may feel right now, it's going to be good for all of us to get back into a daily routine, especially if you haven't had one the last couple of weeks. So, classes start today, and I don't want anyone to feel anxious. Here's my quote of the day: Anxiety happens when you think you have to figure everything out all at once. Breathe. You breathe, I'll breathe, and we'll take it day by day. So I'll be here for you in your Chromebook, and I'll teach you while you are in your house or in your yard or wherever you are. Classes start again today. It's Monday. So here we go. So Whitesnake isn't going to help us learn, but hopefully they'll help keep us hopping along at a decent pace, and maybe their rhythm will keep us tapping our fingers this week. I'll do my very best to incorporate music, videos, memes, and such into my lessons to help them be more creative and engaging. And we'll also have our traditional assignments like the ones we've had in Google Classroom. And we'll use online websites and other new items like instructional videos from Khan Academy, etc. The main point today is I don't want you to worry or feel anxious. We'll be learning, we'll be communicating, and we're going to fall into new routines. So you have to promise me no panicking today. No panicking about lessons, no panicking about grades. Save that for tomorrow. Just kidding, no panicking at all. We'll be fine. My lessons will be posted on Mondays and Wednesdays with the expectation that the work will be finished by 10 p.m. on Wednesday night. This way, I can process your work and have feedback to you by Friday morning. If you have any questions, I'm available every Monday through Friday, 9 to 10 a.m. through email. So get back into the swing of things. Here we go.